I've secured $12,000 before New York opening. This is the trade that did the magic. GBP JPY.
So what if I told you this trader did not use MACD, RSI or any other complicated indicators? In fact, she used two simple tricks, and once if I show you how to use them genuinely, I believe it's going to change the way that you trade forever. By the end of this video, I'm going to teach you how to actually find trades just like this one and use these two simple tricks to make way over $1,000 per day, and also show you what it means to keep your trading simple. So in order to make money in Forex, the only two things that you have to do to identify where the market is going: is it going down or is going up? And one of these is actually simple. Once you know step by step how to actually know where the market is actually going with 99% certainty, and this comes from not trying to catch each and every move that the market is actually doing, but actually waiting exactly for what you want to see to actually know that the market is either about to go up or about to go down. And you know this, you only use two tricks that this actual trader used to change his life, to go around the world making money while he's traveling, buy a new car and also a new house. And remember, all this is actually possible using these two tricks that I'm going to teach you today, so that you can also make up over $1,000 per day. So in the opening chart, you want to mainly see that the market is actually going in one direction, which means it's coming from one bottom corner going to the other corner, or it can be coming from one top corner going to the bottom corner, just like this. So this actually make it simple. Like right now, if I ask you which actual corner the market is coming from and also which actual corner the market is actually going to, it is actually very clear that it's coming from this left bottom corner going to the top right corner, which is this one, which means the market is actually going up. Once you've actually identified this actual direction, now you want to look for a small move which actually opposes this main direction, which means the small move must be going in the opposite direction of the main one, which is the one that you identified by pointing the two corners that you have right here. And to actually see this actual corner, it must actually look very clear, forming lower lows and lower highs, which are actually clear, like a proper downtrend is actually forming, just like what is happening exactly here. If on the time frame that you're using is not clear, you can actually go down to a smaller time frame, which usually you'll be able to see this actual downtrend much clearer. And also, if it's not clear, you can actually go down to the next time frame, which can be the 1 hour time frame in this case. But today, for you to actually understand it very easily, I'm using this actual daily time frame because this is actually very clearer. And also, if you have a job and go to work, you can actually trade this same strategy right on a bigger time frame like this, because you can actually come at the end of the day and see what candle has been formed and analyze where the market is going, and also if it's actually going the opposite direction of this main direction. Now that we have a smaller direction which is opposing the main direction going up, now you want to wait for the market to actually go up above the last high which was formed when the market was actually going down, which SMC traders call change of character, and trend line traders and pattern traders calls the continuation of the main trend. Whatever you call it, the main important thing is that you must be able to make money with this actual simple trick. So on any time frame that you're actually trading this, you must actually be patient, wait for a clear candle which will actually close above the last high that you have right here. So if you look closely, you can see this actual high that you have right here, and also next to it you can see that the market actually went up and closed. Clearly this actual candle closed above this actual high, which means the change of character or the trend continuation is actually started, and now we are now completing this actual direction that we have for the market to go from this actual bottom corner to go to this actual top corner. From now on, you want to wait for a red candle which comes back to touch this actual high that you have right here. If you would also land like this on this actual candle high, you must also have this actual red candle coming to actually touch and then bounce to start to go up. This actual candle will not act as an order block or a point of interest, where if the market comes back to it again, you can actually enter. For support and recent traders, this actual candle will not be what you call supply and demand zone, because it is actually showing you that this actual level is where supply is coming to, and also this way buyers are actually coming in to push the market up. So if you now look closely right here, you can see after 1, 2 candles, the market actually come back to this actual candle zone. Then this way you can actually enter, and after this, look how JPY actually went up. This will be where you actually make $1,000 per day with this actual simple 2 tricks. But if you don't like trading on big time frames, like on the daily time frame, and you are like me, and you like taking the market on a smaller time frame so that you can actually enter fast and also exit fast, these actual trading tricks also still work the same. If you look right here also, you can see that the market is coming from this actual corner going towards this actual bottom corner, which means the market is actually in a long downtrend. So what you're going to wait for is for the market to start to go up, going the opposite direction of this main move, just like this, forming clear higher highs and also higher lows like this. And since you know the market is going to go down long term, you won't wait for the market to actually go down below the last low, which is this one, and you can actually see this actual candle closing below it. And then once you have this actual candle closing below it, you won't wait for a green candle which comes and touch this actual candle low. This will be your order block, point of interest, or supply and demand zone, because when the market actually comes back to it, this way you can actually enter a sell trade and make money as JPY is going down. But now the difference is that since you're not trading on a smaller time frame, you're not holding the trade for days or for 2 weeks, you're just entering right here and exiting very quickly as the market actually starts to go down. And once you make good profit, and the forex broker which allows you to make profit very fast in a short trade just like this one is in the video description. This is the forex broker that I use to actually grow small forex accounts into thousands. And if you like this video, I'm going to show you how to grow a small forex account into over thousands of dollars in the coming videos using these 2 tricks and the broker which is in the video description. This is More by Forex. See you on the next video.